Hi, this is Jimmy V, and this video will show you the user experience with our EK Automation building automation system. So everything we do is via the web. Each customer can pull up their building automation system via their web browser. Here's your login, typing my username and password, hitting login. For the purpose of this exercise, we're going to look at the Lander Center. We'll actually look at live set points and what's going on with their building automation in their building down in South Haven, Mississippi. So the first thing you see is a top plan view of the whole building and how it's broke out into different quadrants with the customer's logo at the top. What we're going to do is zoom in a little bit and just real quickly look at some zones. We clicked on the northeast zone. Here's all the variable air volume boxes for each zone. Click on each zone one at a time. We can see what the CFM, how it's operating. Currently, this VAV is unoccupied. You can see the dampers closed. So let's go back to the home screen. From here, we're going to click on the chillers, and let's check out the chiller plan. This is March. Currently, the temperatures outside is indicated up in the top left corner is around 43 degrees, so the chillers are not in operation. But as you can see from this main at-a-glance view, everything's in the normal. In the summer, you would see pumps running and know what tonnage and what set points everything's operating at. From here, we also click on the cooling towers and see how they are in relation to the chillers. Such a tremendous tool. So let's go back to the home screen and let's talk about scheduling, because scheduling is where your energy savings really comes into place. This is where you turn your building automation system into an energy management system. So here's a list of all the schedules, all the various areas of the building we can schedule. Let's take a look at the River Kings locker room. As you can see, this is hockey season, so these guys are going to be using the locker room every day. So every day there's a schedule set. You can see early in the morning it's unoccupied, and then about 9 a.m. into later in the day it is occupied. So in our scheduling section you can go day by day, week by week, year by year, and you can look at all the different days where you can schedule. You can set the times to activate those individual air handlers and VAV boxes. Now let's take a look at another area in the building and look at its schedule. Let's look at the box office. As you can see, they keep different hours than the River Kings locker room. We don't have anything scheduled this week for Sunday and Saturday. Have a later start on Monday, and they run a little bit later in the evening on Friday. So this is just a tremendous tool, like I said, where your building automation system turns into energy management system. You can go to every HVAC system in the building and create its own custom schedule. We're going to go back to the home screen and we're going to take a look at the main air handlers in this building. So we'll click on the page, and as those are loading we can see the list of all the main air handlers. And you see everything's in normal, but we do have one that's in service mode. It's indicated with the red glow to it, so it's obviously off. Let's take a look at the west main corner of the arena. So this is one of the larger air handlers serving the arena. There's nothing going on. There's no event scheduled, so this is in the off mode. There's no graphic indicating that the fan's on. The outside air and return air dampers are closed. This unit is in the unoccupied mode, so we're saving energy because there is no event for this particular air handler. But as you can see in this graphic, you can see all the coils, the set points as you would normally see. Let's go back to the air handler page. Just find an air handler that should be in operation today. Let's look at the office. They do keep normal office hours. Look, it's air handler 4. Aha, yes, this air handler is in operation. Immediately we see a graphic that's turning. We see that it's indicated by list that it's on. And again, this is March, and there's a demand for some cooling in the space. But because it's cold outside, they're taking advantage of free cooling. They got the outside air there open, bringing in fresh outside air back to the space and blowing it into the office for comfort cooling. And this is a great graphical look for this individual office unit. We're back to the home screen. To learn more about our building automation system and what we do at EK Automation, call us. We can talk to you about various solutions for your building. And at EK Automation, we are a Siemens Talent Solutions partner. And our software is built on Tritium Niagara framework. It means we are a totally open protocol and communicate any language, whether it's LonMark, BACnet, or Modbus. For more information, go to ekautomation.com.